The U.S. Embassy in Romania announced a major defense collaboration between the two countries. Romanian Economy Minister Bogdan Ivan signed 2 letters of request, marking the start of joint production of 120mm ammunition for M1A2 Abrams tanks and 155mm NATO standard artillery shells. This initiative aims to bolster Romania's defense manufacturing capabilities while enhancing interoperability with U.S. and allied forces. Local production of the 120mm tank rounds will directly support the operation of Romania's new M1A2 Abrams SEPV-3 tanks, recently approved for acquisition in a $2.53 billion deal. The Chamber of Deputies Defense Committee greenlit the purchase of 54 tanks on May 17, 2025, following earlier U.S. government authorization in November 2023. This move is a cornerstone of Romania's strategy to modernize its armored units and align them with NATO's operational norms. The M1A2 SEPV-3 is among the most technologically advanced tanks in the world. Manufactured by General Dynamics Land Systems, it boasts a 120mm M256 smoothbore cannon capable of firing both kinetic energy penetrators and programmable multipurpose rounds. Defensive features include composite armor compatible with the Israeli Trophy Active Protection System, which intercepts incoming threats, and advanced electronics such as third-generation thermal imaging and integrated data links designed for battlefield network compatibility. A powerful Honeywell AGT 1500 gas turbine engine provides 1,500 horsepower for high mobility and tactical maneuverability. Alongside the tank ammunition, Romania plans to manufacture 155mm artillery shells domestically, including conventional types like high-explosive, smoke, and illumination rounds, with future ambitions to produce precision-guided munitions such as the Excalibur system. This production effort, funded in part by a U.S. foreign military financing loan approved in September 2024, is intended to strengthen Romania's sovereign capabilities in ammunition manufacturing, testing, and certification. The timing of this cooperation is critical. NATO's stockpiles of large-caliber ammunition have been heavily depleted due to ongoing support for Ukraine since 2022, exposing vulnerabilities in supply chains and the need for increased regional production capacity. Romania's emerging role as a strategic munitions hub on NATO's eastern frontier reflects broader alliance priorities to reinforce ground forces with locally produced, reliable ordnance. Ultimately, the partnership with the United States serves not only bilateral interests but also contributes to Europe's wider goal of strategic autonomy in defense manufacturing. Romania's expanding industrial base is poised to meet national demands, backfill allied reserves, and enhance NATO's readiness for current and future security challenges along its eastern border.